Alright, so this is the famous 3.8 General Motors engine, which happens to be a great engine, but sometimes you have to change the coolant sensor, and the coolant sensor is under the thermostat housing. So we're going to take off this right here so we can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the thermostat housing, and it's right below it. It's going to be a little difficult to see it from here. Well, I just changed it. I know there's a lot of controversy as far as how you can reach. So there it is, that real shiny piece right there that you see, that brass piece. This wire is actually hooked up to the sensor. So people are saying you have to take off, I've seen them take off the mounts, the brackets, even the thermostat housing. That's not necessary. Now the way I did it is you don't have to take nothing off. All you need is this wrench and this wrench. Now this is the ones that go, has the ratchet, socket ratchet, wrench ratchet, however you want to call it, and the crescent wrench. So let me show you how it's done. First thing that you have to do is unplug the sensor itself. I'm not going to do it myself because I already did it. I'm just going to show you a shortcut how to take off the sensor. So you unplug it, you get your wrench, you bend it like this, make sure that you got the ratchet where it's going to be taking it off. Bring it down here, and you're going to be able to put that around the sensor. Okay, when you put the socket around the sensor, you're going to need something to be able to turn it because it's hard. So you just get your crescent wrench, put it inside here, and you're just going to turn it, because you're going to make these little turns because that's all the room you have. But this sure does beat taking all this off to take off that coolant temperature sensor where it's located on the 3.8. So there you have it. Just get your 3/4 socket wrench, fold it over, put it on it, and you're going to be able to have enough movement to get it out. Same thing for putting it back on and tighten it up the opposite way. All right, guys, take care.